Okay, welcome. So in this video, I want to show you how to identify trend. Okay, trend identification. So depending on where you want to use to identify your trend, one thing that you need is the tool called trend line. Okay, trend line two, trend line. Okay, or you need to draw what is called trend line. Please put your phone on silent so it don't distract me. Okay. So to draw your trend line tool, what you need to do is you tap on your screen and you click on this button. That's a shapes button. Okay. When you click on shape button, you're going to be using. Okay. Let's go to this plus. Okay. You can pick from here. You can pick anyone from the favorites. Don't pick from here. Okay. You don't need any of those ones. Okay. You can pick from the favorites or you go to object and add objects. Okay. So we need object. That is the right word. Object. So you see, this is a trend line tool, or you can call it diagonal line. Okay, so that is what we need. So you tap on it. When you tap on it, okay, tap on this two, it will take you back to your chart. Now what you want to do, first of all, let me just drag it somewhere. That is it. Okay, so what we want to do, this is like 1 hour time frame. We want to connect, in forex there is high and there is low. This is a low, this is an high. Market came up again. This is an high. Market reversed from here. Gets here. This is a low. Market gets here. Came down. This is an high. Which is high means the highest point that price went to before it changes direction. Low means the lowest point that price got to before it changes uptrend, up level. So what we want to do right now, we want to take this trend line that I've taken. We want to try to connect two highs together or connect two lows together. Okay, we can connect this high and this high together. Okay, that's what we want to do right now. Okay, so let's do that. So I want to take this trend line. I'm going to now, in doing this, you know that this is the current price. This is current price. So we cannot use this as a low because this is not where the market is. This is where the market is now. We don't know where that market will turn from here. So we cannot use that one right now. Then we discover that. Please go and watch that cartoon. I'm coming. I'm on the video. So what we need to do is
My name is Peace Adrian Enel.
what we need to do is we need to take this trend line, connect. This is where price got to before it changes downward. So we need to take the trend line and put it here. So where's the next eye? We connect it to this point. This is an eye. Okay. Now if we are to use the low, this is a low. Connect this low to this low, to this low, to this low. Let's try and do it. Let's start with the low. So we can start with this one. We try to connect. So you see now when we connect, we were able to connect this three perfectly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we were able to connect those three. Now let's connect on top. Okay, now we've connected. Now the question I want to ask you is this. This is a trend line. This trend line that we can see right now, is it facing upward, facing downward, or facing sideways? What is the answer? It's facing downward, right? This tells you that the trend on the 1 hour is a downward trend. I've told you that something like this now you can trade it like you take a buy trade here, market will go up to this point, use the as or take profits. You can even sell from here, market will bounce down to this level. You get the point now. So you trade like this until either there is a breakout to the down or a breakout to the upside, and then markets can go up. You get the point now. So these are your undefined trade. Let's switch to different markets. Okay. So how do we identify the trend of these markets? Okay. So let me just, there's a trend line here. I'll connect some levels together. Okay, so you see I'm able to connect. I'm able to connect 1, 2, 3 together. I'm able to connect. What happened? Okay, I'm able to connect this. This thing shifted. Let me do it again. Okay, moment please. Okay, so you see now I'm able to connect 1, 2. These are lows. Low one, low two, low three, and low four. Okay, four different lows. Now, just with this one alone, what can you tell? Is the market, the trend line, is it pointing upward, or is it pointing downward, or is it pointing sideways? You can see it's pointing upward. So we can tell that this is an upward trend. These are how you can identify trend in just by looking at it. Another way you can identify trend is just squeeze your charts, okay? Because sometimes your chart will be like this most times. Aha. You have to pinch your charts together like this. This is how you can identify that. Now that market is what? Is ranging upward. If you look like this, it's going up. You see now? Aha. So that is it. Let's do that for another pair. As you can see, this we're going to connect now. Sorry. We are taking trend line. So let's connect. Okay. So I was able to connect 1, 2 together. But they nearly touch this one. But from mere look of this, let me connect another one on top. Mere looking at this, connect this to this. Okay. So I was able to connect this and this. The line did not touch this one. No. But mere looking at how we connected, what can you say about the trend? The trend is what? Is sideways trend. Sideways. Okay? Sideways trend. You can call it flat. Okay? Flat or sideways trend. Okay? So you see that the channel we just drew now is not pointing up, it's not pointing left. So what do you do here? How do you determine the trend here? Okay, so knowing that this is a flat, now this is a flat trend or sideways. We can also call this line, now we can call this a support and resistance. Okay, so what we see is price coming to this resistance, come down to support, up to resistance, come down to support, then up back to resistance. Now we can expect that price will come like this. Of course, you see price came down, but the way price came down, price jumped down. Okay, without even it jumped down from here to this point. So you see that price came down, did not respect this level to go up. It break the what? The support. Okay, that is it. So, but before price break this support, you know that price has gone up, price is coming down. Okay, what would you have done? You would have known that the market is going to go down, so you can go to a lower time frame and go and look for what? For buy signals. You go to lower time frame like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and go look for buy signals. So at this point, you now apply your indicator and look for a buy signal for a sell signal, because the price has touched that level upward, price to bounce down. So you're going to look for a sell signal based on your strategy, based on your strategy, based on your indicator, or if you are using price action, whatever you are using, go check, use whatever you are using to get a trade decision. Okay, but if price is upward from the uptrend, go down to your time frame and take a trade in line with that your trend. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you.